tell you that the cardinal principle of the law of evidence is that he who alleges must prove. Don't keep telling me that we have things to hide. Tell me
Order.
what
Chair,
it is you're saying you're hiding.
kindly don't lecture me.
Order.
You are not in order to lecture me.
Order.
I have the right to ask you questions.
Order. If you could just answer the question, then we can proceed. Chairman, please.
Thank you, Madam Chair. But some questions
Is that
are
a point
not
of
for
order?
yes or no.
Is that a point of order? Okay, proceed.
I'm saying
Just
some
just
questions,
answer the
Madam Chair,
question.
with the greatest respect, are not just a yes or no answer. She
Chair.
said,
Chair, I want to go back to this issue of, so that Chair can clarify. The issue of suspension. You know, I came here this morning because there is a hue and cry that people who made supplies to Kemsa were being paid higher prices than what is in the market. And I wanted to benefit from you, Chair, this morning in that respect. So, regarding the suspended CEO, as your board sat down to consider that hue and cry from the Kenyan public that the person who was giving out contracts gave out contracts to suppliers on prices that were higher than what is in the market, and in the process cashed in on this unfortunate pandemic to convert themselves into overnight billionaires. Has the board done any preliminary investigations? Related to that is the information that is out in the public that whereas these suppliers have become overnight millionaires, Kemsa is not in a very sound financial position. You as the board chair, what's your take on these very serious allegations that have been raised against your management?
Chairman, I agree.
Is that
with
an
the
additional question?
Senator Omogani. Chair, why we came here is because of the overnight billionaires, the COVID billionaires. Can we have questions and issues dealing with that? Madam Chair, we are talking the whole day we took because of one warehouse, which cost 1 billion, while billions were stolen or billions were misappropriated within some few months, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Chairman. So can these issues, can we go to those? We have